3 pounds of cream cheese, 2 pounds of shredded chicken right along our cream cheese in our large roast pan. Make sure we get that kind of spread on the bottom of our pan. This is gonna be a super easy game day appetizer. Now I'm coming in with 2 bottles of my Buffalo Wild Wings buffalo sauce, and we are going to drizzle our buffalo sauce right on top of our chicken, on top of our cream cheese. I absolutely love buffalo for game day, and this is no exception. Look how vibrant and delicious that looks. We're gonna make sure we empty out these bottles in our pan. All right, and these are empty. Yum. For seasoning, we're gonna do 1 packet of our ranch Hidden Valley seasoning. I personally love ranch with my buffalo, but I know some people like blue cheese, but this is gonna just add a nice little tanginess to this dish. But you can do whatever seasoning you like. You could do a garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, but we are just gonna do our 1 packet of ranch seasoning. Yummy. Now I'm gonna come in with some sour cream, and I have 2 16-ounce containers that we are going to add to our pan. This is gonna add some nice creaminess, some great flavor, some sourness that will offset the heat from the buffalo. Now that buffalo sauce is like a medium buffalo heat, but you can do whatever temperature buffalo sauce you like. So that was 16 ounces, and then here is our other 16 ounces for a total of 32 ounces.
Ooh, that buffalo smells so good.
Oh yeah, with that ranch too. This is gonna be a winner. I absolutely love making huge portions for potlucks, for game day. It just makes every Sunday better when you have a nice, delicious appetizer that you can snack on all day long. All right, make sure you get all of that sour cream in there. Beautiful. Now, of course, we're gonna need some cheese, and I have my 1 pound bag of mozzarella that we are going to distribute all around our cream cheese. Beautiful. You can shred your own cheese if you prefer, but that would be a lot of cheese to shred, so we are just using the pre-shredded. Perfect. That is not enough cheese, so we have our white cheddar that we cubed, and this is 16 ounces of white cheddar right in there with our buffalo sauce, our cream cheese, sour cream, chicken. We are not done yet. We're almost there. This is gonna need a little bit of liquid, so I'm gonna bring back my buffalo bottle. We're gonna open it up completely, and I'm gonna fill it up with my whole milk, just about halfway, because we don't need too much. This seems good. Put that lid back on. Give it a good shake so we can get all of that extra sauce out of our bottle. We're not wasting anything. And once we feel like it's shaken up enough, we are gonna pour that right on there. Look, we got some buffalo milk. And we're gonna do the same thing with our other bottle super quick. All right, and the rest of our milk. Thins it out a little bit from all those cheeses, but this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for 45 minutes. All right, just took this out of the oven. You can see all that cheese has completely melted. Oh, and so has the cream cheese. Oh my goodness, it is time to mix everything together. The mozzarella, the white cheddar, the sour cream, the buffalo sauce. This is gonna be so good. You gotta really make sure you get that arm strength going so that everything gets well mixed together. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. Buffalo chicken dip is a classic for game day, and this one is gonna be a must try. So just make sure you mix it all together nice and well. Oh my goodness, okay. As we kept mixing, that cream cheese got completely broken apart, and this dip is ready to be dipped into. All right, I'm just gonna use some tortilla chips, but you can use whatever chip you like. And we're gonna go in. Give this a try. Some chicken, is a thick dip, just the way I like it. Doesn't it look so good?
Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
That is so good. Oh my goodness.